better. I come home to chaos every single day.
I don't understand why it's all me. You barely help out, Mark.
I'm working hard to provide for this family. What do you want me to do, Lisa? Quit my job?
No, I want you to be present, help with dinner, or take the kids outside once in a while.
Sophie peeks out from behind the hallway, visibly worried.
Mom, Dad, can you stop yelling?
It's just a little misunderstanding.
I'm sorry, kids. We don't want to scare you.
Yeah, where's the suspense? That's all.
You know why? It feels like a thunderstorm.
Mark and Lisa exchange glances, the reality of their children's feelings sinking in.
You didn't know we feel that way, sweetheart.
When you be lovely, Popon.
Mark and Lisa's faces fall as the weight of Sophie's words hits them.
Oh, sweetheart.
That's what we want. We love each other, even though we disagree.
Can you love each other? But sometimes, it doesn't have to be that way. We're learning how to be better of each other.
Sophie and Jessa move closer to their parents. Sophie grabbed Jessa's hand.
Can we make a plan?
Okay, how about we start talking without yelling?
They all nod in agreement.
And we will not argue in front of you. Can we make fun family rules? Like no fighting allowed.
The family embraces the tension starting to thaw, and leaving an air of hope.